Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you on a magical journey through southern Thailand, packed with breathtaking views, fascinating history, and unforgettable experiences. So let's dive right in. First stop we have the Naka Island. Just a 10-minute speedboat ride from Phuket, Naka is a peaceful escape with clear turquoise water and soft sandy beach. The timeless beauty of limestone cliffs rise over turquoise waters, reflecting nature's quiet strength and ancient artistry. Next up we have the classic and the world's most popular, the James Bond Island tour. This stunning location became world famous after it was featured in the 1974 James Bond movie. Then after a short speedboat ride, we went to a nearby island known as Koh Panyee, a floating Muslim village built entirely on stilts over the water. This village is only dependent on fishing and tourism. Now this is the heart of the adventure. I'm truly blessed to see such breathtaking views and experience this nature's beauty with my own eyes. Our next destination is the Ice Cream Cave, locally known as Tham Lot Nua. The name comes from the incredible rock formations that look just like melting ice cream. We visited Siam Niramit, one of the most spectacular cultural shows in Thailand. Before the show, you can walk through a recreated traditional Thai village with complete crafts, items and elements, which you can get to know more about the culture, the heritage of Thailand. The show itself is a dazzling blend of dance, acrobatics, music, history, all performed in a world-class theatre. It tells the story of Thailand's past, from ancient kingdoms to mystical legends, and trust me, it's totally worth it. You won't regret. Unfortunately, they don't allow you to record once you are inside the theatre. This trip to Phuket was truly unforgettable. From its natural wonders to its vibrant culture and friendly people, there's just so much to love. If you're planning a trip to Thailand, make sure to include these spots in your itinerary. Next week, I'll be dropping more beautiful, exciting videos coming right on your way. So do subscribe and stay tuned.